Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Hong Kong International Airport.
Hi guys! So we're finally here. Nag-check-in na kami dito sa Hotel Heart.
Yeah, it's so nice, aesthetic, and na-upgrade kami guys! Oh my god!
Standard lang yung binook natin.
Yeah, standard lang yung binook namin kasi nga mahal, diba? So, hindi naman kami all the time nasa hotel. So, we need an affordable...
Like basic room lang.
Yeah, an affordable room. But, clean and something like that. So, that's why ito yung binook namin na Hotel Heart. But, upon check-in, it's still 11 guys ha. And naka-check-in na kami. Walang bayad siya kasi may available na daw. And na-upgrade pa siya. So, it's, my God, it's, so far, it's 10 over 10. First impression.
For cleanliness, then 10 over 10.
Yeah, and ang ganda ng ano nila, ng building. And then the concierge, front desk, ang ganda.
At
may
ang
tambayan
bango.
and all. Ito, ang bango siya. Mabango siya.
Ito yung view namin. Ito yung window. There. Diba?
We have
So
a window
nice.
here. So, let's have a quick room tour, guys, para makita nyo kung gano'ng kaganda magstay sa Hotel Heart. Yeah, this is the, I'm not sure with the deluxe room, I think. But let's see, i-research muna natin. So, let's start! This is the main door. So, okay naman siya. And we have the AC here. And we have something like this. I'm not sure. Ano ba tawag dapat dito? Sink something. Storage here. We can store things here. We have a sink here for toothbrush or something if you want to freshen up. Like sa face lang. They have towels. They have complete toiletries, guys. So, it's a thumbs up. And they have a queen size bed here sa deluxe room. And then we have a 42-inch TV, smart TV. So we have right here the CR. Yeah, we have the toilet here. So we have a shower here. Yeah, it's pretty spacious, but they don't have bidet and it's okay. So we have the study area here, so we can work, we can, you know, write something, muni with the view. I'm pretty excited with what's in store with our Hong Kong trip, guys. So stay tuned. So freshen up muna kami. Power nap and then
we'll
brunch.
head out.
Bye. Bye. See you later.
guys! So we're out and about. So nakapag-freshen up na kami. Nap kami ng mga 1 hour.
Yeah.
And then, ngayon we're looking for a restaurant lang for our very late lunch. It's already 3 p.m. and wala pa kaming kinain for the whole day. So parang we're super hungry. Just here in Tsim Sha Tsui area.
Yes.
So we'll update you later. So we're here in a Thai restaurant. Ito yung in-order namin. Shredded chicken with black rice noodle and soup, which is this. Mini beef and beef balls. Both soup with black rice noodles, which is this. This is our last activity for today. The pig tram and dinner. We are done sa pig tram.
Wala kami ng pala. Kasi
Yeah.
super foggy.
Super foggy. Wala kaming makitang masyadong city lights. So, di na lang kami nagtagal doon. Bababa na lang kami. We're gonna look for a resto for our dinner. And then, gutom na. And then, super pagod din kasi grabe yung halay-lakad namin.
Look guys, it's so foggy.
Hanap na lang kami ng resto. And then, let's call it a day. Pahinga muna kami and then see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys! Good morning! It's our day 2 here in Hong Kong. Itinerary namin for today is Disneyland. So supposedly, mag-whole day kami sa Disneyland pero we decided na later na lang kami pupunta at around mga 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. and that's until the night na yung sa fireworks nila. Kasi may tatapusin kami trabaho. We're gonna make tambay sa coffee shop and then we'll have breakfast there. It's already 9:42 so not sure pa kung saan kami kakain pero we'll explore the area. So I'm done prepping up. Ito lang yung outfit natin. simple and comfortable lang. Si Nico, di pa siya tapos. Nag-makeup pa siya. Say hi! Alright, so we'll update you later and good morning!
Having breakfast here sa may kanto lang ng Heart Avenue. Yeah, we're just waiting for the food na lang. And then, let's proceed to another food stall or something. I'm so excited for the day.
So here's for breakfast here at Happy Corners. Mine is egg waffle and for Nico's
It's butter waffle. Let's try. This is our first Michelin star meal or food for this trip.
signature Shanghai pan fried one. See?
Let's try.
Sarap, grabe. We also bought Fanta kasi walang Fanta sa Philippines. This is my coffee. This is flat white and then coffee manic for Nico.
Messaging earlier kasi walang TikTok dito guys. Nag-wifi kami para para meron kami TikTok. Hindi namin pinili yung eSIM. Pero wala pa din siya. Kasi dapat yun yung guide namin para sa mga cafe, something like that. So, minessage ko yung friend ko na pa-search naman ng areas na to. Meron naman kaming list na itinerary guys. It's just that yung iba close. Another tip guys is just make sure na ma-save yung everything na inspirations or like inspost nyo sa TikTok.
I-save nyo
mga
na sa
cafes.
galleries
Yeah,
niyo.
save nyo na, download nyo na sila para balikan nyo na lang sila pag andito na kayo sa Hong Kong. Okay, done with our first cafe and we're off to another coffee shop which is named
Milk bar.
Milk Bar, and then it's just across.
Ako yung nagmamap.
Yeah, siya naman ngayon kasi ako sa previews. So maraming coffee shops dito guys sa may Shimshui po area. So make sure niya lang na naka-maps kayo para makita nyo agad.
Yeah, may
Kasi
magandang coffee shop doon sa katabi ng first coffee shop na pinagtambayan namin. It's called Flow.
Yeah.
Yeah, ang ganda talaga ng interior. So, probably we'll be back there one of these days.
Yeah, kasi haba pa naman yung stay natin. Andun yung Milk Bar but it's closed. I don't know why. So, meron pa namang coffee shops in front. So, we have, which I think, is this a coffee shop? The Bridge Living Art Space. Ah, yeah, there's a coffee shop. Then, there's also, like, Josephine's Kitchen if you want to eat. And also, Loop Culture. It's also a coffee shop, guys. So, kayo na bahala mag-choose. Pero, this time, kasi yung Loop Culture, parang same lang siya ng reviews namin. ng feels. So dito tayo sa The Bridge Plus. Let's go!
Mm-hmm.